let's going to replace the AC control module with a new one. Here's the So all you need is a flathead screwdriver and a 7mm socket. First thing to do is to disconnect the cigarette lighter wire at the back, and we're gonna pry the faceplate here with a screwdriver, this area, and then we're gonna pull it, and then once it snaps, we're gonna pull it gently. Oops, and there you go. Then we're gonna take it out like this. Slide it up, and here you go. That's the faceplate. See, there's a lock in there and a lock in there. All you need is put a screwdriver here and then pull it out, and here too. And for the control module, this one here, we're gonna use this 7mm socket. Unbolt this one. And unbolt the other screw. Pull it up, pull it up, pull. There you go, we got it. Okay, and then we're gonna pull this one up. There's a locker there. We're gonna use the like that. There's a hissing sound. And this one too. I'm gonna put the phone down first so that I can pull it properly. There you go. There's a tab here, a tab here, this one. Pull this one. Gently. We're gonna pull this one. This retaining here, retainer. You're gonna pull that one first. Then I use the flat screwdriver. This is the old one, and the new one. But first, before we're gonna put it in, we're gonna clean this one up and we're gonna vacuum it. See. Now we're gonna put back and do the reverse process. First, we're gonna pull this one lock in place. This one here, so see the knife, we're gonna put it like that. This one is over here in the middle. Last one. And that's it. Do the reverse process. So first, we're gonna turn it on and try if it's working. Okay, we're good to go. And you reinstall it, everything. That's all. Thank you. Have a great day.